Hey guys, I'm showing you this Aquafit 32 ounce water bottle with a time marker. So it comes in a nice packing. There's a 2-in-1 straw and the Chug lid with a water bottle and a straw. So this one can be taken anywhere, and let's open and show you. So the first impression is a very nice vibrant color with an insulated coating on the top, time marking that you can know how much water you need to drink. So it's a reminder with all the time and the ml of the water you need. They are very nice, the groove to hold the water bottle so that you can easily grip it, and a strap to hold the water. So it's a lock to unlock. You can just click it, two-way straw and the direct drink. So this one is a 2-in-1 water bottle with this cup. So basically it's a nice water bottle, and there is a straw inside. You can just fill in the water, so wash it before using it. There may be any chemical stuff, but it's good to wash it and then it's good to go. Very nice and safe water bottle with the supplied straw, and then insulated top, and a very nice color and the combination. So the strap is also there if you want to just hold it and carry anywhere.